Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go.
Here we have your 1518 Ford Mustang wheel.
And what Coast to Coast International did was produce an automotive grade ABS liner that fits over and into this specific wheel. It's called an Impostor wheel skin. Brian, show us how to install it.
All right, start by removing your center cap. Take your Impostor wheel skin and line up your valve stem hole and push into place. And reinstall your OEM center cap.
So what are the advantages of the Impostor wheel skin? 1, it changes the finish of your wheel. 2, if you have any wheel damage, it can conceal it. 3, if you're an automotive dealer, it can upgrade the trim level package appearance of your vehicle. It can also help differentiate your inventory on your lot. The most important benefit is that compared to purchasing new wheels, refinishing your wheels, or possibly repairing cosmetic damage, is that it's incredibly affordable. And as you saw Brian put it on, relatively easy to install. For more information,
Visit us at coasttocoastinternational.com.